2023. The demand of Pakistan is based on two-nation theory. Pakistan became a member of the UNO in the year 1947. The biggest masjid of Pakistan is Faisal Mosque. The Indus Basin Treaty was signed in the year 1960. The plan proposed by Lord Mountbatten is called the 3rd of June Plan. The major import of Pakistan is petroleum. The separation of East Pakistan took place in the year 1971. Shah Jo Risalo is the poetic collection of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Allama Iqbal was born in this city, Sialkot. The first 5-year plan of Pakistan started in year 1960. 2022. The name of Hazrat Mujahid Alf-e-Sani was Sheikh Ahmad Sarandi. The State Bank of Pakistan was inaugurated by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The separate electorate was given to the Muslims of subcontinent for the first time by this act. Minto Mawli reforms 1909. He was the chief of the Boundary Commission at the time of partition. Radcliffe. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah left Congress in this year 1920. The pamphlet, Now or Never, was written by Chaudhry Ramat Ali. The most important cash crop of Pakistan is cotton. The principle of Panchshila was associated with non-aligned movement. Quran was translated in Persian for first time by Shah Waliullah. The first Secretary General of All India Muslim League was Sayyid Ali Hassan Bilgrami. Asbab-e-Bagwa-e-Hind is written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The national anthem of Pakistan is the creation of Hafiz Jalandhari. The first constitution of Pakistan was promulgated in this year 1956. Maulana Muhammad Ali Jauhar was the founder of Khilafat movement. The famous personality from Sindh, supported the Pakistan resolution, was Sir Abdul Haroon. The cabinet mission came to India in this year 1946. The elections to National Assembly under the legal framework order were held in 1970. The highest peak of Hindu Kush is Trichmere. The poetic collection of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai is called Shah Jo Risalo. 2019. The biggest industry of Pakistan is that of textile. Pakistan shares its northern border with this country, China. He presented the partition plan of India. Lord Mountbatten. The name of Pakistan was proposed by Chaudhry Ramat Ali. The first woman Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan is Dr. Femida Mirza. Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated on October 16, 1951. The Round Table Conferences was held in London. The Kashmir issue was presented on the UN in the year AD 1948. The first annual session of the All India Muslim League was held at Karachi. The Sufi poet wrote poetry in 7 languages. Sashal Sarmast. 2018. The real name of Hazrat Mujahid Alf-e-Sani is Sheikh Ahmad. The demand of Pakistan was based on two-nation theory. Lucknow Pact 1916 was signed between the Muslims and the Hindus. General Ayub Khan became the Chief Martial Law Administrator in the year AD 1958. The number of climatic regions of Pakistan is 4. After the arrival of Muslims in South Asia, this new art was created. Indo-Islamic art. The longest river of Pakistan is Indus River. The first annual session of the All India Muslim League was held at Karachi. The headquarters of UNO is at New York City. The upper house of the parliament in Pakistan is the Senate. 2017. The real name of Data Gang Baksh was Ali bin Usman Hajweri. The first Islamic Summit Conference was held in the year AD 1969. The word nation for the Muslims of the subcontinent was first used by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The second Governor General and the second Prime Minister of Pakistan was Liaquat Ali Khan. Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated in the year AD 1950. The first translator of the Holy Quran in Sindhi language was Azizullah Akhund. Area-wise, the smallest province of Pakistan is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Quaid-e-Azam died on the 11th of September 1948. The second constitution of Pakistan was enforced in the year A.D. 1962. This port fulfills the needs of Pakistan steel mills. Bin Qasim. 2016. The Objectives Resolution was presented on the 12th of March 1949 by Liaquat Ali Khan. Pakistan had its first constitution after this period of its establishment. 9-year. The presidential form of constitution was enforced in the year AD 1962. The first martial law was imposed in the year AD 1958. The headquarters of the UNO is located in New York City. The country to the east of Pakistan is India. This organization represents all the Muslim countries. OIC. The highest military award of Pakistan is Nishan-e-Haider. Pakistan Day is celebrated on March 23. The head of the Boundary Commission was Radcliffe. According to the 1973 Constitution, the national language of Pakistan is Urdu. Pakistan's national flower is jasmine. The educational, scientific and cultural institution of the United Nations Organization is UNESCO. The constitutional head of Pakistan is the President. The border shared between Pakistan and Afghanistan is called Durand Line. This city of Pakistan is famous for its international seaport and airport. Karachi. Khilafat movement started in 1919 AD and ended in the year AD 1922. The All India Muslim League was founded under the leadership of Nawab Salimullah Khan. Lord Mountbatten announced the partition plan on the 3rd of June 1947. The national flag of Pakistan was designed by Amiruddin Kidwai. 2015. The duration of the War of 1965 between Pakistan and India was 17 days. The heavy mechanical complex is situated at Taxila. The fourth Governor General and the first President of Pakistan was Iskandar Mirza. Islamabad was made the new capital of Pakistan was built during his regime. Ayub Khan. Quaid-e-Azam joined the All India Muslim League in the year AD 1913. Sindh was separated from Bombay in the year AD 1936. The northern boundary of Pakistan meets this country. China. Islam spread in the subcontinent through the Sufis and saints. The biggest natural lake in Pakistan is Manchar. The largest center of sports goods industries in Pakistan is Sialkot. The upper house of the parliament in Pakistan is the Senate. Here Ranja was written by Waris Shah. The Silk Route connects Pakistan with China. This province of Pakistan is also called Babul Islam. Sindh. The Second World War started in the year AD 1939. The name of Pakistan was proposed by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Kashmir Day is observed every year on February 5. The All India Muslim League was founded on the 30th of December 1906 at Dekcha. The representative organization of Muslim countries is OIC. Mangalore Dam has been built on this river. Jhelum River. 2014. The permanent members of the Security Council are 5. Shahjahani Mosque is situated at Lahore. The longest river of Pakistan is Indus River. The round table conferences were held in Lahore. The demand of Pakistan was based on two-nation theory. This province of Pakistan is known as Bab-ul-Islam. Sindh. The United Nations was founded in the year AD 1945. A.O. Hamid was the founder of the Indian National Congress. In Pakistan, salt mines are located. Khevra. The All India Muslim League was formed in the year AD 1906. Quaid-e-Azam joined the All India Muslim League in the year AD 1913. Lucknow Pact, 1916 was made between Hindus and Muslims. The real name of Hazrat Mujaddid Al-Thani was Sheikh Ahmad Sirindi. Motama Fatima Jinnah was the sister of Quaid-e-Azam. Durand Line is the boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan. The first Governor General of Pakistan was Quaid-e-Azam. Ajrak is the symbol of this province. Sindh. The Indus Basin Treaty was signed in the year AD 1960. The center of Gandhara civilization was Taxila. This is the Organization of Muslim Countries. OIC. Asbab-e-Baghavat Hind was written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. In AD 1930, Allama Iqbal presented his presidential address at Allahabad. The Pakistan Resolution was passed on the 23rd of March in the year AD 1940. The name of Pakistan was proposed by Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. The first president of Pakistan was Iskandar Mirza. The national anthem of Pakistan is the creation of Hafiz Jalandhari. The Silk Road connects Pakistan with China. Masjid Wazir Khan is situated at Lahore. Pakistan's first nuclear explosion took place in the year AD 1998. The highest mountain peak of Pakistan is Godwan Austin, K2. The name of the poetic collection of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai is Shah Jo Risalo. The constitutional name of Pakistan is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. The first 5-year plan was launched in the year AD 1955. The number of castes in Hindu society is 4. After the arrival of Muslims in South Asia, this new art was created. Indo-Islamic art. The real name of Hazrat Lal Shahbaz Qalandar was Syed Muhammad Usman Marwandi. The Pakistan Resolution was seconded by Chaudhry Khaliq-uz-Zaman. Maulana Muhammad Ali Jauhar was the founder of the Khilafat movement. The Second Islamic Summit Conference was held in February 1974 at Lahore. Gawadar Port is situated in this province. Balochistan.